In this video, we're going to learn how to use the find and replace tools in Excel and how to use shortcut keys for those tools. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so we've got a table of information here where we've just got some department names, first names and last names of employees, and also a bonus that they're being allocated. So first of all, let's take a look at how you can use the find tool. And let's just say that we want to find the name John. Now there's two different ways we can do this. We can come up to the Home tab in the ribbon and we can click on the Find and Select button and then click on Find. And it will bring up this pop-up here. And as you can see, we're on the Find tab. And if we want to find the name John, we just type in John in the Find What box. And then click on Find Next. And you can see over here that cell B2, which contains the name John, has been activated. Now I'm just going to close out of there and I'll show you another way to use the Find tool, and that's with the shortcut keys. You just press Ctrl and F and that brings up the pop-up box with the Find tool. And this time, let's look up the department Accounting. And I'll click on Find Next. And now you can see cell A5 has been activated, and that's because it contains the word accounting. And it was the first cell further along from B2 that it could find with accounting in it. Now, if you wanted to find the next one again, you could click on Find Next. And now you can see that A13 is activated, so that's the next instance. And you can continue on like that, or you can press Find All. And there you can see a list of the 3 cells where it finds the name accounting. Okay, so let's have a look at the Replace tool now. There's a couple of different ways that you can get to it. So I'll just close out of here. The first way is by once again going to the Find and Select button in the ribbon. And then you can click on Find, and in the pop-up box you can click on the Replace tab, or you can click on the button and go straight to Replace from here. And as you can see, that's brought up the pop-up box and gone straight to the Replace tab. And the other way to do it is by pressing Ctrl H, and once again that's brought up the pop-up box and gone straight to the Replace tab. Okay, so let's replace accounting with finance. So we've already got Find What, accounting. So let's type in finance for replace with. Now there's a few different ways you can do this. If I just press replace, that's just going to replace accounting that we've got there on the active cell at A2. So I'll just click on that and we can see. Okay, so that's replaced accounting with finance in A2, and then it's gone and found the next one at A5. Now there's a couple of instances of accounting in there still left, and we can replace them both by clicking on Replace All. Okay, so we've just done that, and Excel has just given us the message saying we made 2 replacements. So I'll click on OK, and that's done. Okay, so that's a pretty handy tool, Replace All, but just be aware that it does go and replace all of the instances of whatever you're looking for at the same time. So you've just got to be a bit careful with it. All right, let's just try another example now. So let's just replace all of the $500 bonuses with $700. So I'll just put 500 in Find What and 700 in Replace With. And let's click on Replace All. And Excel found 4 instances of 500 and replaced it with 700. And it's given us the little message here to confirm. And we'll press on OK. And that's done. Okay, so that's how you can easily find data in Excel, and also how you can find it and replace it with other data.